Alright, in this video we're going to talk about product options, option categories, setting up the options, smart match, and enable multi-child add to cart. So let's go ahead and check out what options are. We go to the front of the store, we'll look at our Jake's Cool shirt here, and we'll notice that we don't really have a way for the customer to select a size or a color, which is probably not very good if you're actually going to create an apparel store. So we want people to actually be able to, buy stuff from us. We're going to add some options here. We're going to add size and color. So we'll go to Inventory, Product Options, and the first thing we need to do is create an option category. And what an option category is the bucket that all your options go into. In our case, the buckets are size and color, and the things that we put into them are the different types of them that we need. For size, we need small, medium, large, extra large, and for color, we need red, blue, green, yellow, pink, whatever. And so what we're going to do is add a couple new option categories. So we'll click on Option Categories tab, and then we'll click on Add. And if you already have options in your list, you can edit those options too if you want to. I find it easier when you're starting a new store just to clear all the options and option categories out and start over, just so you know that you can make sure that all the options are set up correctly instead of finding out later that some obscure check was checked and it kind of screws up all your stuff. Alright, heading group and option category descriptions are basically the titles of the options. As we go on, I'll show you the differences between them, but for right now, we're just going to put in size and size. About option categories is a little help section that can pop up for this option. Let's say in the case of size, we'll say, please choose your size. And you can put HTML in here. So I've seen a lot of apparel companies that sell, like, let's say European sizing. They'll have a chart in here in HTML that shows the differances between the European and American sizing. So that's one thing you can put in here. And I'll show you what it looks like on the front of the store after we're done creating all the options. Arrange option categories by is just the sort order of these options. In this case, we're going to just say 100. And again, the higher the number, the higher the priority, just like in the categories and the products. Display type is the way we want to display our options to the user. Do we want drop downs for this option, checkbox, radio, text box, plain text? And then the other three, the only one you have to worry about is smart match. These other two are remnants from older versions that we've kept in here for backwards compatibility purposes only. So drop down smart match we'll get to later in the video, but for now we're going to choose drop down. Hide option categories description allows you to hide this option categories description if you need to. Include in search refinement includes this option category and all of its options into the search refinement technology of your store. Is required makes this field required, meaning the customer has to choose something from this list in order to proceed and add this product to the cart. In this case, we're going to check is required. And we're going to click on add in add mode so that we can add a new field. So the next one we're going to do is color. And we're just going to go simple here and say color. And drop down, yeah, that's what we want it as. And this one we don't want to be required. In reality, you probably would want the customer to have to choose a color, but in this case we're not going to, so I can highlight some stuff later. We're going to do add new in edit mode, and that's it. We just created all our option categories. Now we need to create the options.